How to change a name in Facebook Lite in 2024. Hey everybody, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm gonna give you a quick guide on how you can change your name in Facebook Lite very easily. So Facebook Lite is a lighter version of Facebook official app that is very easy to access and very lightweight on your device. So let's begin with. So you can also have all the features of Facebook in this, but a lighter version. So let's get started. Open your Facebook Lite option and make sure you're logged in. After that, just tap on the menu bar at the top right. In here, just scroll down to settings and privacy and settings. So on the very first option, you can see the account center option with personal details. You need to tap on that option. And here, tap on your profile option. Tap on it, and here you can see your profile. Just tap on it again. And here you can see two options, name and username. Since we're going to change name, tap on name. And you can see the option first name, surname, and middle name. So if you're going to change it, just tap on the first name. Let's say I want to change it to something like this. And before changing your name, be sure if you want to change it or not, because for 60 days you can't change it. And you don't have an option of changing it for 60 days. So be very sure about changing your name before changing it. So after that, just tap your first name. If you want to enter your middle name, just tap on middle name and your surname. After that, tap on review change. And after reviewing your change, you just need to confirm it for the one last time by entering your password, and your name will be changed in Facebook Lite very easily. So just follow the steps I just told you and your name will be changed in Facebook Lite. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.